Hey guys, so today we're staying at Green Valley Ranch. This is our second time here, and today we're staying at the Villa Suite. One of the nicest rooms here. Comes with our own pool, own private pool and patio area.
Another one.
As far back as I can remember, I always wanted to be a...
Let me show you guys inside though. Let's go. We also have a pool table. Not one, but two shoe polishers.
Marble showers. Magic toilets. 1 tub, 2 tubs. 1 bed, 2 beds.
Patio table 1 and patio table
2.
Pompsie cupcake. Sorry, I've been going a bit fast. Here's a nice smooth room tour montage. It's about 4 o'clock. We're about to go get some snacks because we skipped lunch and we want to have something, but we don't necessarily want to eat too much because we have an amazing dinner tonight at 7 at Hank's, which is the steakhouse here. We had it last time in our last video here. Oh my gosh, so good. It's quite the cold and rainy and cloudy day outside in Vegas. It's kind of unusual. Bread.
The cotton candy maker is the last to leave the ground. Shuts his tiny wagon and goes to
Artichoke salad.
a room somewhere. His life
King crab.
is like cotton candy and illusion, not much there.
Scallops.
Shrooms.
Baked potato.
Corn. Pepsi.
Another man is working in a
Vanilla bean cheesecake.
comic across the town.
Creme brulee.
He picks up paper scattered on the ground. Slowly does he walk.
Just a little piece of advice. When you're at a restaurant and there's no price for the item you want to order and it just says market price, should probably ask the waiter what the price is. Just Dinner gets 2 big thumbs up though. Mwah. We're shacking up for the night. Very unusual weather for Vegas. Super windy and cold. Hopefully tomorrow's better. But we're gonna hang out the rest of the night.
Ow! Again. Oh, look. It's a little remote. So they have tablets over here where you can control the
Lights,
AC,
everything.
lights, and everything.
But what's that? Is that the same thing?
Yeah, this is pretty much the same thing. You can do
like a
everything
mini
from
tablet?
this too. Yeah, and you can use it as a remote with a TV, I think.
Interesting, interesting. So, with our breakfast came 2 detox beverages. These green guys right here. I've never had one before, either has Greta.
It's better than I expected, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, they surprised us with this breakfast. So we didn't order this, if you're wondering. Why would they be weirded out by this drink they ordered? No, it just came with the assortment. It's actually not bad. I'm kind of afraid if I down this whole thing, I'm going to be in the bathroom for a while.
So we're taking a stroll out of the pool entrance of our suite. We want to check out the pool, and then we also want to go to the district, which is actually kind of connected to Green Valley Ranch. Our goal is mostly to get Greta some new shoes because her shoes are literally 9 years old.
It's fine. It looks so peaceful right now.
These door handles are cool.
I like them. They're gonna be great for walking the strip. It's been a long run. All messed up. It's been 10 years. Oh.
So, this was our second time at Green Valley Ranch. Our first time we made a video, and if you haven't seen that, definitely check it out. We definitely did more of an overview of Green Valley Ranch, showed the casino, and talked about the overall property more than this video, but I just want to thank Green Valley Ranch for hooking us up with this room because when I found out about this penthouse, I thought it was so cool and worth sharing. So I hope you enjoyed it. You learned about a new room that maybe you didn't know existed. Yeah, one of the gems here in Vegas for sure. That's it for this one.